Hello, today I'm going to show you the text formatting in Excel. So I have written a text and now I have to increase the font size. So there is a toggle button to this the bigger A is to increase the font size and smaller A with down arrow to decrease the font size. So so just I'm just clicking, see, it's increasing the font size. You can also see here the font size, it's getting increased. See, now if I click this decrease font size, it will decrease the font size. Now make it 48. Now if you want to change the font, so just click on this drop down. You will get all the fonts which are available in the Excel. So see, let's become Algerian or whatever the font you like. So select elephant. See the text style. Now this is for bold. So bold will make the text little dark. This is for italic. It will the just little slice curve underline. So this underline will underline the text. You can also use the double underline using the drop down. If you click this arrow, you will see the option. There is an option for double underline. So this text will get double underline. Now this is the fill color to fill this cell. Now like I want to put the cell with a dark blue and the font color I want to do white. See, so this is the formatting. If you click this arrow, you will get the more option for formatting. See, at one go you can select the font style, the size, color, the underline style, and you can click on OK. Suppose I want to make the font will be Calibri Light with bold, font size 36, underline single, color, the font color will be red, and if you want to change the fill color you have to use this fill color option. So suppose my fill color will be this, and for font color here. So you can see the preview how it will look like. Just click on OK. See, this is the formatting. Now I want to off the underline option. Now if I go to the more option in the effects, there is option strike through. The strike through is basically a line which strike through the text. See, I use, see in the preview you can see the text. If you want to make any font or any text strike through, you can just use this option. You see, text. So like I want to write a test done, correct, but I don't want my done to be strike through. So just click on this, select this done, and go to this font option and off this strike through and OK. So see, the text will be strike through but done will not strike through. So using this option you can format your text in the Excel. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.